Jamie said
It's
take a ratchet
seasonal.
strap from
It is.
Yeah.
from here to the other door.
As long as I got the other door.
The other door is just bare like that one. Alright, so we head to probably find some bolts and thread.
Must have another Thunderbird down back.
Just go around the corner. Second row on your right.
Let me strip it. Them suckers right there.
Got one. The door latch is off it too.
That's fine. We can.
Well, the fender's pretty right side. Something. Oh, it's just left like Christmas.
It is just like Christmas pie. I gotta find another bolt. What's that?
No, I'm just put a bit of jam to those cars. So.
Man, listen. I'm telling you, they were doing quite a job on this thing.
It was.
I'm telling you. Just by the looks of it. Look, all the pieces sandblasted. Like, wow. Huh.
Another one?
Do you have a bucket of bolts anywhere?
I'm sure there is.
I'll see if I can just find a couple and stick on it instead of.
It's in the back shop. That's one I've had for a while. It was just hiding. It is, yeah. The very, very.
Oh my goodness! Look. You see the other side, all the stuff
there,
that's
flat car.
sandblasted and cleaned up. Take
It's
your
right
time to
against
do
the
that
wall.
funny stuff.
Way back, turn to the left.
I see nothing but money spent. Look at that. What do you think there? Good spot. What do you got underneath the tarp?
That's a Ford Pinto station wagon.
Can
With the round opera windows on it.
Can I lift that up?
Oh yeah.
Oh well. She's in primer and glide coat.
It is.
Was you planning on fixing that? Doing that?
Well, it was on the list of things to do.
Okay, I got you.
Now, I'll
I could probably pull that door open and.
turn the light on, and there's bolts all over there, and there's more over there, but we haven't got quite enough light.
All right, I see now. Just to find something fine thread that matches that.
Well, like that there. What does that look like?
That's coarse.
Of course it is.
Of course it is, he says.
Same way.
Yeah. Probably if I took and just opened that door up, moved some stuff around, I'd probably just find them, would I not?
They probably are there. There's a whole big pile of stuff on that floor.
Yeah. I can open that door back up, obviously.
It's just a little tie and a little tape.
I think that's what I'll do, because the right bolts will be there, no doubt in my mind, instead of me searching. I'll just open her up. There's a radiator and a half now. Look at that now, would you? Small house. There's a door there. Look at that now, would you? Any bolts in it?
No.
Not a stitch.